agencies of the government, Department of Foreign Affairs, Department of Defense, the Office of the Solicitor General. That makes three. Three main offices of our government. Mainly argued on the basis of theory. They were arguing on the basis of theoretical projections. Whereas, on the other hand, the anti-EDCA forces, they were a motley group. They came from different organizations, but they were mostly led by Dean Marlene Magallona, former Dean of the UP College of Law, and Dr. Harry Roque, Professor Harry Roque, plus Representative Nelly Colmenares, Secretary General Renato Reyes, and Dr. Roland Sipulan. They mostly agreed on the basis of the pragmatics of the issue, meaning to say what will actually happen to the Filipinos in case the EDCA comes into full force. So I will say that if this was a debate, the debate was won by the anti-EDCA people. Plus, all were apparently taken aback by the fact that although EDCA is clearly a treaty in the minds at least of the general public, the President did not deign to send EDCA for concurrence with its ratification to the Senate. In our process, first, the President or his representative, Secretary of Foreign Affairs, signs the treaty, and then after that, the President signs an instrument of ratification, and then after that, he sends it to the Senate for concurrence. But it did not take place in this case with EDCA. Instead, he called it an executive agreement. He claims that it's not a treaty, and because it is an executive agreement rather than a treaty, then he does not have to send it to the Senate for ratification. You can obviously see that this is already a diminishment of the powers of the legislative branch of government with respect to foreign policy. The Supreme Court has decided on one or two occasions that the Senate has no power to compel the President to send a treaty to the Senate for concurrence of its ratification. We cannot send out an order to the President and tell him to send the EDCA to us. That is not allowed according to the Supreme Court. So as a result of our proceedings this afternoon, what instead the Foreign Relations Committee will do will be to issue a sense of the Senate resolution, hoping that it will help, it will enlighten matters with respect to the general public. It will be able to manifest to the Supreme Court what are the attitudes of the Senate as a collectivity, and it will also convey to the President the sense of commitment of the various senators to the EDCA. Senator